Welcome to our series all about creating a beauty influencer website with Wix. As a beauty influencer, your videos, your reviews, tutorials, and hauls are the core of your brand. Your website needs to be the central hub that drives traffic directly to your YouTube channel. That's why in today's video, we'll talk about how to integrate your YouTube videos to your Wix site. Heads up, you need to prepare the link of the YouTube video or playlist you want to embed onto your site. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, you're going to need a section to put your embedded YouTube videos on. So go to the Add Section button on the left. And you can simply add a blank one. We will be designing it ourselves. By the way, using these arrow buttons here, you can move your section up or down depending on where you want to place it on your page. Now it's time to add the embed. So we are going to go to the plus button on the left, look for video and music, and then select Wix video. Select your preferred layout and then drag and drop it onto your page. Once it's added, make sure to properly position it on your section. And depending on whether or not you'd like to add a description and a title for this section, you're going to need to leave some space at the top too, which is what I'm going to do. All right, great. Now let's connect the player to your video library. Click on it and then click on Manage Videos. Here, go to the bottom and paste your video playlist or channel URL. In my case, I just used a random playlist from YouTube's official channel for demonstration. And once you input your URL over here, click on Add Video. And over here, you can add several more videos. Anyway, once you're done embedding your URL, you can close this window. Click on this element again, select Settings. On this small window, go to the Videos tab. Select what you want to play here. If you want your channel to be featured, you can select Channel. If you like a single video, you can choose Single Video. And what you choose will automatically reflect over here. And if you want to add a simple title and description, you can go ahead and do so. So go to the plus button here, go to text. You can add a heading, input your heading text. And while you're at it, you can also edit your text styles or design over here. And I would also like to add a short paragraph or short description. So let's do that. I actually already added a paragraph before. I would like to make my um, text size consistent. So I'm going to check the size here and use the same size for this paragraph. And if you'd like to change your section background to make it look interesting, you can click on your background itself, click on Quick Edit, and for the section background, you can select Change and change it to either a color, image, or video. I'd go with a color instead. And if you'd like to edit your YouTube video embeds layout, you can select it, click on Settings, go to Design, and go to Player. In my case, I'd like to adjust the opacity of my background, as well as the cover overlay opacity of my video. So go ahead and customize it however you want to. All right, let's take a look at it. Of course, you can edit it however you want to and do much better than I did here. So yeah. Anyway, once you're done, click on Save to make sure your changes are kept. And that's it. That's how you seamlessly integrate your powerful YouTube content into your Wix Beauty influencer site. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.